Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer, so let's tap on it. And now enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. So that was the fastest way, and now let me show you how to do it using the settings. So let's tap on them. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here we have to localize this IMEI section, and as you can see, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.